In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit faster here in Fortnite Chapter 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you feel like your edits might be a bit slow, there's two easy settings that you can change that will speed them up on both controller as well as keyboard and mouse. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your settings by selecting your profile picture and then select this settings gear just like so. And after you do open up this page, go ahead and go to the game tab, which is the fourth tab right here, and scroll down until you see the editing section. What you're going to want to do first is turn disable pre-edit options off just like so, and then go ahead and turn auto confirm edits to both just like so. Hit apply down at the very bottom. What this does is it removes the extra step of confirming your edit, and now whenever you do select an edit, it's going to auto complete instantly without having to click again, which is super nice. If you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see an option for simple edit. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is turn this on. This lets you edit by pressing once, and Fortnite's going to automatically guess the correct cut that you want, which makes edits crazy fast, especially if you are newer to editing. This is tournament legal right now, but some players feel like it is too assisted, so try it out and figure out if it works good for you. But after changing these settings, try editing your builds again, and you'll notice a huge improvement. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down below, and we can help you out further. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all the notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.